Hello friends, I am VM. Today I am going to show you how to enable mic CP Plus IP camera. Okay, now you see on the screen this is IP camera, bullet IP camera. Now check sound here. This camera is mute. Now unmute camera. Check volume. Camera sound is not hearing. Okay, now tap on setting icon. After this, tap on remote configuration. Okay, after this, tap on video stream. Now you see audio option is disabled. Now tap on this option. After this, tap on main, enable here also. After this, tap on save. Now setting is saved. After this, go back to main screen or check camera audio. Now full volume. Now check here camera sound is hearing. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.